In 1987, Don Bosco Matunga lost 3 dear people associated with its long history in the field of education. Father Alfred Mariotta, Mrs. Emmeline, and Scouter Chandra Singh. The school magazine Don Bosco Courier, in its issues of 1987, carried some touching tributes to these great souls. Let's listen to them.
Abstract from the school magazine Don Bosco Courier, May 1987. Mrs. Emmeline Montero, an appreciation. The 24th of February 1987 was a sad day for the history of the Don Bosco family, comprising of management, staff and students. Our dear colleague and teacher, Mrs. Emmeline Montero, bade us farewell forever. Next day, the Church of Our Lady of Salvation, Dadar, was packed to capacity with her many admirers, including her colleagues, pupils, and many whom she had befriended with her good deeds. Father Rector Chris Dicuna specially rushed from Lonavala, where he was attending the Salesian chapter, to celebrate among the 8 priests, which included Father Mariotta, the Vice Principal of the primary section. On the 7th day Mass, celebrated at the Don Bosco Shrine, the Principal, Father John Samala, extolled her virtues, inspiring the boys to pray to her rather than for her. What can you give in return to a person who has spent the best days of her life dedicating and molding the future citizens? Can anyone ever erase the memory of a dear one who has so faithfully and selflessly served the school for 29 long years? Emmeline was only 47 years old when she bade us goodbye. Amy, as she was fondly called by her friends, no longer lives as a person, but a name will be etched out in our minds and hearts, for Emmeline Montero will be a living legend among us.
Abstract from the school magazine Don Bosco Courier, August 1987. A tearful farewell to our beloved Scouter. 17th April 1987. Good Friday will always remain a black letter day in the annals of Don Bosco, especially for Scouts and Cubs, for on this day they had to bid a sad, fond farewell to Scouter Chandra Singh. He was their guide, their help, and their driving force, unfortunately snatched away all of a sudden by a fatal mishap. Chandra was an ex-student of Don Bosco and had won many laurels for the school during his schooling days. He started his scouting as a cub. As a scout, he earned the King Scout badge. Even after he completed his schooling, he continued his passion for scouting and made big headways by gaining for himself all the proficiency badges. These accomplishments made him a full-fledged Bharat Scout, for he was awarded the Bharat Scout Badge and Gold Cord. Chandra made a name for Bombay too when he attended the Jaipur Scout Jamboree and was awarded the first rank among the Scouts of India. He was awarded many state championships of merit from the state of Maharashtra and had passed a special training course in civil defense. Mr. Chandra very often frequented Don Bosco Matunga premises to lend an honorary helping hand for the betterment of his cubs and scouts. It is with deep regret that we were forced to bid farewell to a friend, help and guide, Scouter Chandra Singh. We shall never forget you. With our final respects, the Cubs and Scouts of Don Bosco.
Excerpts from the Principal Father John Samala's letter, School Magazine, Don Bosco Courier, November 1987. My dear students, Don Bosco Matunga mourned for the sad and sudden demise of the Vice Principal of Primary Section, Reverend Father Alfred Mariota, SDB. He breathed his last at Justlock Hospital after a brief illness on October 22, 1987. His funeral, though it was during the Diwali holidays, was largely attended. The funeral mass in the Don Bosco Shrine was concelebrated by 38 priests, including Father Chris Saldana, the Provincial, Father Lodi Peris, the Vice Provincial, and Father Chrysologus Tikuna, the Rector. Father Saldana explored his qualities. At the burial ceremony in Sivri, Father Tikuna delivered a touching farewell eulogy. Father Mariota did a lot for youth as well as for all types of people in different parts of India. He will be missed most by children at Christmas, whom he used to entertain in the role of Santa Claus. We are grateful to Consul General of Switzerland and his wife who attended the funeral. My dear students, hope you will take a leaf from the life of this simple and jovial but hard-working and God-fearing priest who is now no more in our midst.
As we move ahead with the other stories in this episode, our attention is surely drawn to the magnificent Ramanathan Srinivasan, who shone on the national stage, bringing laurels to the school in table tennis.